What's up, guys? This is my 2012 535i. It's an M Sport, and here's a cold start. I don't have the stock exhaust. It only has a muffler delete, and this is how it sounds. Alright, so we've been sitting here for a minute, the engine's warmed up. This is what it sounds like when I rev it up. Oh shit, I just hit the brakes. Yeah guys, so you get decent noise, but I'm in the garage, so it's kind of amplified, but you do get decent noise. You get a few burbles, nothing too crazy. Asthma's real, guys. Alright, so driving in the city, guys, it's actually pretty fun. Right now we're in comfort, automatic mode. From the factory, these cars are quiet. Like, it's so quiet, it's kind of sterilizing it. The N55 sounds pretty good. So when you cut the mufflers off, you know, you can hear the engine, the exhaust. Really enhances the driving experience. This is probably gonna be my first video. I'm with the homie Alif. This guy has an E60 N54. You guys will be seeing his car on this channel. And today I'm gonna do a muffler delete review for anyone with the N55 trying to do it, or if you're on the edge and you're kind of scared and you want to do it. Right now we're just gonna drive to the city. I'm gonna go pick up a friend, and after we're probably gonna get on the highway. And when we do get on the highway, we're gonna talk about drone and all that stuff, because in the city you really, you know, the drone is, you don't hear it like that. If anything, it adds to the experience, especially if you're a younger individual like me and you just want to hear your engine, that your exhaust. This is a good cheap alternative, especially because if you like me, I kept my mufflers. I can always go back. It's gonna be $100, $120, and they're gonna put the mufflers back on. That was initially my plan. That was the plan. But then I fell in love, you know, just with the noise. I've drove this car for like 5 months with the factory exhaust. Now we're gonna, you know, it's been a month now. A month with muffler delete, and I have no complaints or regrets. Right around 2200, 2800 in the rev range, that's when you hear it the most. The drone everyone talks about, but I don't think, honestly, like Alif, your E60, right? Yeah. You don't have your mufflers on it. So what do you feel like the noises it makes, especially on the highway, the humming noise, the drone, does it bother you, or it's something you're down with?
Oh no, it definitely sounds nice.
Yeah, exactly. So if you don't like it, make sure you don't sell your mufflers or none of that. Just keep them with you, keep them in the garage or wherever you store your stuff. If you don't like it, just put it back on. $100, you know, that's a deal. Guys, since this is my first video, I don't know how much I'm gonna cut, I don't know if you guys wanna listen to me talk. I don't know how much it's gonna be footage, but don't worry, there's gonna be footage coming up when I really ring the engine up. Corona. Okay, let's just do it now, fuck it. Third gear, down to second.
Back window go though.
And under throttle, when the boost is building, you really hear the turbo farts. That sounds pretty nice, not gonna lie. That's the experience. We had to stop really quick for McDonald's. Get that Travis Scott burger.
You know, for the first time, I got a burger that actually looked like a
What, Travis Scott?
like what I saw in the ad actually.
Oh shit.
Like, you know, that exactly what it looked like. They actually took care of it. But usually they just like slap that shit on and mix it.
Wait, where's the tunnel? I don't see no tunnel. There has to be a tunnel. Tunnel, guys!
Trying to go together. Burnout.
This guy.
Come on, man. You got that M. Cruising. It's nice though. It's nice.
That was a cool guy.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, don't be speeding on public roads. Risk your own life and your car, not others. All that, like right after I do a pull. Probably cut that part out, guys. I'll save the advice for next video. But yeah, man, muffler delete. It's totally worth it.
It's a must.
Yeah, it's a must, to be honest. Yeah guys, so camera died, so I couldn't record anything from that night. But I have more videos. I have videos of us going to the canyons, which I'm gonna upload next. Hopefully you guys are gonna stick around for the next one.